Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree DIY for you, and it is the continuation of my mini series where I set up our command station or command center. So in today's DIY I will be making this. And if you want to stick around for that DIY, and if you want to implement that in your own home, whether you have a command center or you want to put it in your kitchen, go ahead and stay and watch the tutorial. Let's get started. Okay, so in this project you will need an 11 by 14 frame, and I will be using this placemat Live Love Eat. I'm going to be using this plastic paddle cutting board. I will be using alternatively, because I have gray, white, and black, so I'll be alternating this. Then I'll probably be using my E6000, my hot glue, scissors, pencil to mark off the lines, and some hooks. Okay, tracing this and making sure that everything is as straight as possible and the design is not cut off. And since this one, I don't want this cut off, if ever I'm gonna trim, I'll be trimming the bottom. Okay, so I'm using this backing here to provide me with the proper width. I'm doing the image face up. Okay, so now I can darken this line actually. Okay, so let me just darken that. And then it's okay if I cut off the bottom of the spoon and fork. That's fine, it's cut off to begin with anyway, as long as the top, the spoon and the forks are still showing. So this. Okay. So I got the size. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. And I just don't want to use that. Then so that's it. See, Live, Love, Eat. Okay, so I got this at the Dollar Tree. I think they come like 6 or 8 in a set. I'm gonna make this one a little bit more useful by adding this hot glue or E6000, whatever. Okay, so I'll just stick it here. Let me use this as a riser so it's not flat. And this one, I'm just gonna eyeball it, okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm using the thickness, or yeah, the thickness of this frame, you know, this line here, this demarcation line here, the frame, as my guide as far as the height. But then I'm gonna make sure also that I am aligned here. Okay, so to the edge. See that? Any glue that may ooze out, make sure you clean it up. And I am doing the same thing here. If you want to remove the sticky thing, that's fine, but if you want to keep it, because one of them didn't have. Okay, and then just kind of eyeball this so that it's in the middle. Okay, so if you want to spray paint this black, it's fine, but if you don't have the black and white theme like I'm doing right now, And then once it's dry, you can use this to hang stuff, you know. So let me just show you what you can hang. There's another project I'm using this also, so I'm going to be alternating it with this. So there are 3 paddle cutting boards. I'm going to be using the gray on 2, this, you know, lattice work kind of style, and then I'm going to be using this color here, this this toile looking floral stuff. Do is I just mark it with my, it's either mark it with a pencil or nail. Kind of crude method, but works for me all the time. So kind of trace it because there's an indent, there are indentations here, so that's just what I'm kind of following with my nail. Or you can use card or something. So I just use that, and then I cut. And then once I'm done with one, I'm going to use it as my template to cut the rest. And then whatever cut I need to adjust, I will do that as well. Okay, so let's see this. And trace through the mark you created. And it should be, it may be a little long, okay, so there's a line here that I need to cut as well to trim. Shall I say trim? Okay, then I'll do the same here. This is how you do it, piece by piece, like so. Okay, so that's it, how it looks like. I like that I was able to kind of combine or mix and match. Doesn't have to be just pure whatever one design. So, okay, so this one is $1 for a set of 36. So if you want to paint it or decorate it, sorry, that's my dog making noise. So you can do whatever you want with it. So I'm just gonna be putting glue here, because my plan is I'm just gonna be clipping each time our menu plan. Okay, so let me just put the glue here. Sorry for the mess. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so here it is. I'm sorry I cannot give you a far vantage point because there are other items here that I've actually done before this, but I am uploading this first so that to give you some inspiration already that you can use. Doesn't have to be a full-blown command center for you. Maybe just put this in your kitchen so that you can put items here, you know. I apologize for the glare, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm just using some natural light behind me. You know, that's the patio door in our kitchen. But this is, I'm loving this. I'm telling you how beautiful this is, and the camera doesn't do it justice. What I'm trying to do here is, because we do batch cooking, I am going to be using this to clip on some menus. Okay, it's going to be for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to have like 7 sheets here on each. So that's going to be per day. And then just clip on 7 menus, and then we're just going to choose. So that's how we're going to be organizing our menu plan for the week, or whenever we're doing batch cooking for, let's say, several weeks or even a month. And so that there'll be no confusion, we're going to be including also our grocery list. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share with anyone you think would be interested in this project. I have about probably a couple more for this mini series, and then I'll be done or completed with this command center, and I will do a final walkthrough probably in one of those videos. And so just bear with me as I complete this command center. I hope you're enjoying this mini series that I have prepared, as I have been enjoying it as well. And also don't forget to leave some comments down below, and I do enjoy reading them, and I also try to respond to them as much as I can, even if sometimes it does take me a while or several days. I do respond to each and every comment. I hope you're all having a great day. God bless everyone. Talk to you again in my next video. Bye bye.